ready to go here at Tracy Ferguson's house. It is July 13th, about noon here at 4011 Colleen Way in Kittrell, North Carolina. So we've got wind damage shingle that we are going to do an attempted repair on. We've highlighted where the shingle is. So the first thing we want to point out is the gross color mismatch that we have. We went and got a black shingle to match her black roof, but as you can see, you know, the original color is no longer that same black. So this is a gross color mismatch. Definitely want to point that out before we get going, because it's not going to be an exact match there. So we'll go ahead and get started with this.